much better.
So where would you say, where was it before? And
So
it was,
numb here,
yes,
extremely painful here,
yes.
and going this way,
Mm.
wrist here.
So it was quite bad when you came, right? Now, and we made two adjustments to the spine and to the neck. Again, we did not work on the hand and the shoulder. It was all because it was coming from there. And you'd say, how much did it reduce now? Would you say?
Like 70%, easy.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Good. And then,
I felt it a little bit this morning when I wake up, but that was nothing comparable to before.
wow. So you'd say a positive sign. It seems to be
very positive.
Body seems to be correcting. Yes. And then obviously you're used to having an adjustment. What would you say in your mind? What's the main thing that's going on for the why us adjusting you in the neck?
Yeah.
Is this improving? Why? What is the connection?
Oh, because what is the connection? The nerve, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, from here to the hip.
Well, it's all connected.
Yeah.
I just wanted to check that we're on the same page. Yeah. Well, some people might think, doctor, my pain is here. Do something here. But I did not touch you there, right? It's all been from the neck because the nerve from the neck is going to be on. So.
But it went gradual. It started here, and then it went up.
Yes. So positive signs. So
very
good. Let's have you line your